Good afternoon guys, welcome to Update Study Practice channel. The topic is classification. This is the second class. Already we saw 3 sums yesterday. Today we are moving to 4th sum. The question is A. Apple, B. Marigold, C. Rose, D. Lily, and then E. Lotus. So this is a classification question. You have to choose the odd word from the 5. See here, marigold, rose, lily and lotus are flowers. Already we know this. But apple is a fruit. Am I right? It's a simple question. Easy question and simple question. Apple is a fruit. But all others are flowers. So odd one out is apple. So flowers and all come in one classification and fruits are from another classification. They mix and give the question. You have to find the odd one out. And this also bank exam asked question, the year 2005. Fifth question. A. Amethyst, B. Ruby, C. Marble, D. Sapphire, and then E. Diamond. Can you find the answer for this question? Yes. Marble is the odd one out. See, ruby, sapphire, diamond, amethyst all are stones except marble. Am I right? So C is the right answer. Amethyst, ruby, sapphire, diamond all are stones. A, B, D, E are precious stones. Rare stones. Okay. But marble is a stone? No. Marble is not a stone. Okay. Sixth question is in classification. Option A, ginger. Option B, onion. Option C, beetroot. Option D, coriander. And option E, potato. So can you find the odd one out from this question? Ginger, onion, beetroot, coriander and potato. Yes. Coriander is the odd one out. See, coriander is not a modified stem. It's a kind of leaves. Spinach items. But here ginger onion, beetroot, potato, all are modified stem. Am I right? All are modified stem except coriander. Now the 7th question is option A, bake. Option B, peel. Option C, fry. Option D, boil. Option E, roast. So these are cooking related terms, and this question was asked in Bank PO 2005. So baking is a kind of cooking, frying is a kind of cooking, boiling also a kind of cooking, roasting, making roasted vegetables also kind of cooking, but peel, whether peel is a kind of cooking. Peeling means removing the skin, out skin of vegetables is a kind of cooking. Not. So option B is the odd one out. Therefore option A, C, D, E are a kind of cooking terms. But peeling is not related to cooking. Anyhow, we have peeled with some vegetable skins, but not only we are going to peel vegetable skin, but also and fruit skins. So it's not a cooking term. Okay. Now we are moving to 8th question. What's 8th question? A, pear. B, apple. C, lychee. D, guava. And then E, orange. What are these? These are fruits. Am I right? So there is no odd one out here. But if you look all the fruits carefully, the orange is different one. Am I right? How it's different from others? See, orange is the only fruit having a citrus. Am I right? Have orange and lemon are the fruits having citrus acid. Whether guava, pear, apple, lychee contains citrus? No, only orange contains citrus acid. So odd one out is orange, because orange contains citrus acid. So E is the correct answer. So friends, I have a question for you. What other fruits contains vitamins or minerals or any acid presence in the fruits, you have to find and tell me and differentiate it between pear, apple, lychee, or simply make a tabular column what pear contains, what apple contains, what lychee contains, and what guava contains. And similarly for what orange contains, whether any vitamins, minerals, or acid. So you have to make it in a tabular column and share to me in the comment. Okay. So here I conclude. Tomorrow we can see with some more examples. And note down, this question was asked in Bank PO exam 2003. Okay. These are simple question, but this question is somewhat different. By seeing overall, you can say it's just a fruits, but if you know what are the contents present inside the fruit, only you can answer this question. So only I am saying what are the contents present inside the fruits of pear, apple, lychee, guava, and orange. And if you want to know more, you can search for other fruits also. So let's see tomorrow with some more questions and answer, especially bank and SSC asked questions. So please give thumbs up. If you have any doubt, comment it. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Bye.